Hello and welcome to our video on OpenManage Integration for VMware vCenter, server profile deployment, and template deployment. My name is Ted. I'm a senior engineer with the systems management group at Dell EMC. The template deployment feature in OMIVV leverages the iDRAC server configuration profiles. This is designed to pull an image from a server and deploy that one image to many servers. We're going to go over the configuration profile here. We are in OpenManage Integration for VMware vCenter on the Compliance and Deployment tab and Deploy. And we're going to go ahead and discover a bare metal server to use. Adding a single IP to this start IP range will be sufficient to get the server to discover. Now here you can use the deployment credentials, which are already configured in the OMIVV under Settings. Or you can specify a username and password to use. And then we'll go ahead and apply these settings, and the discovery job will kick off. Under the Jobs Discovery tab, we can see that this is in progress right now. This job will take a few minutes to complete. Let's go over creating a new configuration profile. Under Profiles, System Profile, you can see we have an existing profile, or we can create a new profile and then step through the process here. Give it a name. You can choose Basic or Advanced. Really the only difference between a basic profile and an advanced profile is the advanced profile includes event filtering attributes that are configured for alerts. I'm going to go ahead and create a basic profile, select one of our servers from our vCenter, and then this process is going to take a little bit of time as it queries the iDRAC and pulls that information. As a note, you can only select hosts that are in vCenter or servers that have been added to bare metal in OMIVV. Once this completes, we're going to be presented with an attribute list where we can edit secure attributes like iDRAC passwords. And then once we finish the profile, we'll have a complete list of attributes that we can deploy to other servers in our environment. Here we're presented with the reference server. We've collected that. And here we can choose the drop-down and change the administrator password to anything that we so choose. And finish this process. We can always go back and edit this profile at a later time to change those attributes. Click here, Edit, and then presented with another wizard, we can step through to change the profile settings. To deploy a configuration profile, we select the server, click Deploy. Here we're given the option of creating a template if we do not have one already created. We're going to start through the wizard, select the server to deploy to, tell it we want to configure system profile, select the profile, and then we can preview these settings if we would desire to make sure that it will be applied successfully. There we can see that the result was completed and that it will be successful. Then we're going to go ahead and step through and give it a job name. And tell it to run now. We click Finish, it's going to take us to the Jobs queue where we can see the deployment process of that template. This process will take some time depending on the amount of attributes that you are setting on the iDRAC. And there, when we refresh, we can see that this was successful. And now that we do have our server configured on the Deployment tab. That concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.